Hello, my fellow luminaries, and welcome to the Penlight's 2024 Spring into Summer Journal Challenge. Yay! So, our first journal challenge today is going to be taken from the Rodgers and Hammerstein musical Carousel. June is busting out all over. Yeah, I do sing, sort of. so, um, but we're gonna be talking about June and how it's busting out all over. So how do you know it's June? What are some of the external things that show you that it's June? What are some of the internal feelings that you have? Here's how the journal challenge is going to work. I'm going to give you a prompt. You are going to set your timer for 5 minutes, and you're going to write on that prompt. At the end of 5 minutes, I want you to reread what you wrote and just write a 1 or 2 sentence reflection about what you saw, what you learned, what you thought. Then, what I want you to do is to like this video, or if you're accessing it a different way, this post. I would like you to write down just a little reflection that you had from the experience so that I know that you actually did do the activity. And then I would like you to tag 2 people and then add me as well. So 3 people altogether, but one of them is me. And send it out and let people see what you've been doing. You do that, you will be a part of the group. You will be enrolled in the grand prize drawing. You will have all kinds of opportunities for cool free stuff. So let's get started. So our journal prompt again is, how do you know it's June? What are the internals and the externals? And just to help you get started, I did the journal prompt, and I have a fringe tree or a cyananthus, and that's always in bloom at the beginning of June. So I know that that's it. I have an abelia outside my window that just makes the whole house smell kind of lilac-y. It's a little overwhelming, but it's beautiful. And after I finished writing my whole journal prompt, I said, I notice a sense of forward momentum. Like what I wrote about was stuff moving forward and getting better and bigger, and weeds growing and just stuff happening. So that's my prompt for today. So I can't wait to see what your June is already starting like. Okay, go forth and pen light.